All right, so I am inside my Bitsgap platform dashboard. If you don't know Bitsgap, Bitsgap is basically software for trading crypto using the AI bots, smart algorithmic software, right? That basically does all the trades, micro trades for you, right? So here I am, and I am in my demo mode. I have set up some test bots basically to see which ones perform better, which one don't perform well, different type kind of settings to see how things work and how they work out. So as you can see, I also put it different amounts. I used either 3,000 around $3,000 or $1,500. Some of them are a little bit down, as you can see here's the 2,600 RVM, two and a half thousand Dodge. Yeah, oh, actually, most of them are down. Those that I set up about 13 days ago, which are these at the bottom, they are all a little bit down, but still managed to give me a return of around like 3% on average. As we can have a look, like here's 2.5%, here is 1.5%, here is 3%, here's 3.22%. So it's almost 3% on average for 13 days, right? Which is really good, right? Uh, some would argue that yeah, sure, you need to invest in $12,000 in order to get 3% return. Yeah, that could be argument. But where else you would put the money and they would make you these kind of returns back, right? I don't know about any other place. I'm still testing it. Obviously, with really shit bear market, it kind of like uh, compensates itself that then you need some capital to reinvest back. But if you just hold the tokens in bear market, you lose all the value anyway, right? And you're not gonna exchange. If you need the money, you're not gonna exchange the token when it's so super undervalued, right? Uh, that would be really silly. So this is a really good strategy for the bear market itself as well, as I can see, because here I have the like tokens that I set up, sorry, bots that I set up like 10 days ago, sorry, 8 days ago, and there's these three at the top. And as you can see, they are giving me on average 3% return, and this one is giving me 6% return in 8 days, right? Which is really pretty good, right? Just I'm not saying that it's a half amount that I used for these at the bottom. Usually, the more you put on in the bot, the higher returns, right? Makes sense, obviously. But this is just 1,500 bot and returned almost $90 within 8 days. These returned a little bit less. You can see $20 here, $15 here. But nevertheless, it's still 3% return on average in just 8 days, which I never heard about this return either, like where they give you 3% in 8 days, right? Everybody would be running there. It's the different kind of settings also on the bot, and which I cannot really disclose here because I'm under the NDA, um, because I get all this kind of information from the training crypto course that is just about to launching the new opening the door for new registrations for new members. So you'll be able to basically educate yourself during the free webinar series that are going to be in the early October, and I believe almost till the third or fourth week of October, it's going to be open. So you can sign up for those. You can educate yourself, and maybe you can get the course itself as well, right? To learn how to do these things. Obviously I don't have a just bot account. I also have my real account where I'm running the bots. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna for the just to educate yourself what this can do for you. I'm not gonna disclose my positions and what's there. Uh, if if you want to try, you can just sign up for the free trial of the Bitsgap software and set up the bots yourself and see how it works, right? you can just go to the link under this video and sign up for the Bitsgap account. And if you're interested in the Dan Hollins crypto course, the plan, you can also sign up for that under this video. And uh, I'm definitely curious about this, and I want to see how it's going to unfold in the future in this bear market. And if you can make money in crypto bear market, you can make money in like anytime, right? Because this is the worst time within the last few years, and it's working out pretty well, right, people? So thanks very much for watching, and talk soon. Right, bye bye.